Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Tech Reptile. Today I am going to talk about how to install Python on Windows machine. For installing Python, we need to go to Google and type just download Python. Where I get the first link. After clicking on the first link, I get the official site of Python, and on this site I just click on the download option where we can find that the Python version is 3.8.5 and I am going to download this latest version. Today's the latest version is 3.8.5. so I just click on this Windows, and after clicking we can find there are various type of download options, like you can download the latest one 3.8.5. if you can download the downgrade options, where you want you can everything in this page, but today I am going to download the latest version. This is the latest version 3.8.5, and in this section we can find the Windows 8664 executable installer. I just click on this link. After clicking on this link, the download will be start automatically. It is around 26 megabyte. It will take few seconds. After downloading, we just get this file. Double click on this file. After clicking, we get this window where we can get some information. If I customize anything, then we should go to the customize installation, but don't forget to click on the select button. If you forget to click on the select button, add Python 3.8 to path, it is that path of our Windows environment. So if you miss to click on this checkbox, then you will get trouble after installation. That's why we have to click on this checkbox, and I just click on the customize installation. We just check the installation item like documentation. pip is the Python package manager, IDE, integrate development and learning environment, and something others option. We don't care about this. Just click on the next. I just want to make this path manually because it is a very big path. When I want to get some file from the Python folder, then you have to go to this big path. That's why I just want to create a short path on my C drive. That's why you have to need to create a folder whose name will be Python. So I am going to C drive and create a new folder which is called Python. That's all. Then I just click on the installation. It will take few minutes or seconds, depends on your system speed. Okay, setup was successful, so just close this window, and I am going to my start menu. After clicking the start menu, I can find the latest installation of Python, where is IDE, Python module docs, Python manuals, and the command prompt of Python. At first I click on the IDE of Python. This is the integrated development and learning environment, where we just code on this window and get output. This is the IDE. At first I have need to change the font size. because it is so small to visualization. That's why I'm going to options and click configure IDE. Then I just change the size to 16 and apply it. Okay, the sponsor is going big and is very easy to see. Here we just find that Python version which is 3.8.5, where I can just write a simple code like print hello world. After typing this code, just press enter and you will get the output of. Even you just click 1 plus 3, then you will get the output. So simple. So it is our ideally. Now I am going to see the another thing, which is Python command shell or command prompt. Now I am going to see the Python command prompt. Just click on the Python 3.8 64-bit and we will get the Python command prompt. Here is also you can see the version of Python, and you just print here like before. Press enter, then you will get the output. You can open Python command prompt by the default Windows command prompt. For this, you just need to open the Windows command prompt. Just type Python, click enter, then you can get the Python command prompt. You can get this command prompt because of when you installing your Python, you just click on the select option, the add path of Python. That's why you get this Python by default. Here we can type the simple Python code like print and you can get the simple output hello world. Even you can adding something, you can multiply something. Even if you want to exit this Python prompt, you just need to type quit and parenthesis, press enter, just you get out from the Python. To save a Python file with this Python IDE, I just open the Python IDE, it is the Python shell, and write some code here. Press enter, then I can get the output of this. I just want to save a specific file name. I just want to save this file to a specific file name, and that's why I just click on the file and go to the save option. When I just click the save option, then it will ask your directory. I just want to save this file to my desktop. If I name this file like test and save this file, then it will be saved to the test file on my desktop. If I close it and go to my desktop, then I can see the test file and the extension is .py. That means it is the Python extension .py, and here you can see the Python icon. That's all about the installation of Python. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you all.